Welcome back, students. Hope you all are in good health. In this video, we will do chapter number 22 and 23. 22 chapter is idioms and 23 is words liable to be confused and misused. Students, idiom is an expression which is having meaning different from the meaning of the individual words. For example, spill the beans. Meaning of this expression, meaning of this idiom is to tell people secret information. Students, in syllabus of first term, we are having 1 to 11 idioms. Let's do those. First is eat humble pie. Its meaning is be humiliated. Second, worth one's salt. Its meaning is doing one's job completely. Third, take someone to task, to scold someone. Fourth, not hold water. Its meaning is not stand scrutiny. Off and on, irregularly. Put one's foot down, assert emphatically. At 6 and 7s, in confusion or not well organized. Through thick and thin, even when there are difficulties. Hand in glove, in close association, especially when doing any illegal work. 10th, get into hot water, invite trouble. 11th, gall and wormwood, extremely disagreeable and annoying. Students, sentences of these idioms you can make according to your choice, your imagination. Students, now chapter number 23, words liable to be confused and misused. Students, in English, there are many words which are similar in sound or form, but their meaning and their spellings are different. In our syllabus, we are having 1 to 10 these kind of words. Let's do those. First is angel. Meaning of angel is a messenger of God. Second is angle, A-N-G-L-E. Its meaning is space between two lines. Next, A-double-C-E-double-S, assess. Its meaning is approach or admission. E-X-C-E-double-S, access. Its meaning is more than enough. A-double-C-E-P-T, accept. Its meaning is to believe with favor. E-X-C-E-P-T, accept, to omit or exclude. A-double-C-E-D-E, exceed, to consent. E-X-C-double-E-D, exceed, to surpass. A-D-A-P-T, adapt. Its meaning is to make suitable. A-D-E-P-T, adapt means one who is skilled. A-double-L-U-S-I-O-N, allusion means an indirect reference. I-double-L-U-S-I-O-N, allusion means an imaginary appearance. A-L-T-A-R, altar means a place for offering. A-L-T-E-R, alter means to change. A-S-C-E-N-T, assent means upward movement. A-S-S-E-N-T, assent means agreement or consent. A-U-G-H-T, ought means anything. O-U-G-H-T, ought, its meaning is should. B-A-I-L, bail means security. And B-A-L-E, bail means bundle. Friends, learn all these words and try to make sentences of these words. Now your homework. Students, learn chapter number 25, synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms and antonyms both 1 to 40. Thank you and have a nice day.